Hey friends, welcome back. Do you all love bringing new plants from nursery to your home? I too. And I have also learned so many things from reading books and some trial and errors. In this video, you are looking a plant that is of ponytail palm that I have brought 3 weeks ago. Today, I am going to report this plant and also tell what to do and what not to do when you bring a new plant from a nursery. So first let's see what to do with the new plant. Number 1. Isolate the plant for a week. Whenever we bring plants home, we should try to keep it separate from our other plants. So you are wondering what is the reason behind it. So generally nursery plants are exposed to other plants and they may expose to the pest, and when we bring them home, if we isolate them, we'll get time to observe the plant. Always try to wash the plant leaves so that any kind of spider mites or bugs present can be removed. Now second point is let the plant acclimatize. If climate condition is harsh, then protect it from sun or cold. For example, if we got a plant from a shaded section of the nursery, then after bringing that home, we should choose a section in our home which is resembling the same for at least a week. Third point that one should always keep in mind is understand your new plant. It's the most important thing. We should read or watch YouTube videos and understand our plant's required conditions such as light, watering need, fertilizers. Accordingly, find a new place for the plant. Now let us see what should not we do with our newly brought plants. Number 1. Don't repot the plant right away. They will go to shock and shed all the leaves and even die. So give them at least 2 to 4 days before repotting. Do not fertilize them right away. Let them stay the same for few days. And last one, don't forget to remove the dead branches and leaves also. So these are some do's and don'ts. We should follow it for every plant we brought from nursery. Now let us see how to repot this plant. First, remove the poly bag carefully without hurting its roots. Now loose the soil from the plant carefully and slowly. You can see the plant is grown in a clayey medium, so we have to change its soil. Since the plant is small, I will not trim its root and leave them as it is. Now we will prepare a potting mix which consists of sand, soil and compost. I have taken sand about 30%, soil 40%, and compost 20% and about 10% of coco peat. We will mix it properly and prepare a good potting mix. Before potting it, Please ensure that it has proper drainage hole, as it is the basic requirement of any plant. Carefully put the plant with all the roots in the soil medium without hurting any. Finally, water the plant. Keep the plant in a shady area. This was all in this video. Hope you like this video. See you in the next. Till then, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to watch your plant day by day.